Hi again. Thank you for joining me. For this video, we're going to walk through how to create a book list for your storefront. So to start, make sure you are logged into your affiliate account. Once you are logged in, you'll visit the human icon right here and click Affiliate Profile and Lists. From there, you'll scroll down to the bottom of your page, go to My Book Lists, and select Manage. Click Create a New Book List, and then title the book list that you wish to promote. I'm a lover of jazz, and I would love to share a list of books with my audience of my favorite jazz musicians. So I'm going to name my book list Jazz Icons, the Story of America's Music. Once you title your book list, you can begin populating your list with the books you desire. Here's where you enter the book's ISBN 13 number. If you do not already know the ISBN of your book you wish, you could simply Google it by typing in the title of the book, ISBN, and Google will prompt the ISBN number right here. So I wish to populate Lady Sings the Blues, the biography of Billie Holiday. I'm going to copy the ISBN from Google and paste it into my bookshop storefront page. Then I'll hit Add Book. Once you hit Add Book, the book that you desire will populate in the storefront right here. Now, let's say I want to search for the book on bookshop.org. To do so, simply type in the title of the book or the author name in the search bar at the top of our screen. Here's the book right here. And then I'll scroll down to your affiliate link, select Add to my book list, and select the book list I desire. Then I'll go back to my list by selecting Affiliate Profile and Lists, scrolling down to the bottom, and selecting the title. And there's the book I just added to my list. Now let's say that I have a number of ISBNs that I don't really want to add individually. You can upload a CSV file with up to 50 titles on one file. I've already collected all the ISBNs I desire for my book list right here. Once you know all the ISBNs, you can add them to the first row of the CSV file. Once you've added all of your ISBNs, you'll go to File, Download, and select CSV. Then I'm going to go back to my affiliate storefront page and upload my ISBNs. And then I'll hit Save. And here are all my books that I populated from my CSV file. If you see any of the books that's out of order, you can drag and drop the books you desire and arrange them how you please. Now that I have all the books in my book list, I can customize my book list. Let's say you wanted to add a banner image. You just select here and add any banner image that you please. I'm going to select Billie as my banner image. If you wish to add header text or footer text, you may do so here. Once you have finished customizing your page, you'll hit Save. And then let's check out how the book list looks. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom again and select View List. And here's my books, all arranged in the order that I desire. Now let's say I didn't want a banner image. I'm going to go back to Edit List and just to remove the image right here by checking the box. Scroll back down and hit Save. Let's see how the book list looks without a banner image. I'll select View List, and you can see the bookshop populated my banner image with all the cover images of the books that I've selected. Once I'm happy with my book list, I'm ready to share my book list with my audience. So I'm going to grab the URL of my book list right here, and this will be the link that I share with my audience, my fans, my customers, whoever that I want. Please join us on our next video to learn how to generate your affiliate links for your customers. So to recap, to curate a book list in your storefront, you'll collect all the ISBNs of the books you wish to promote, upload each ISBN either individually or in a CSV file, customize your book list, remember to save all your work, and then share your book list with your customers.